In this demonstration we're going to look at using LAMP to manage content and create landing pages to convert leads, which is the heart of any inbound marketing operation. So within LAMP I can see a list view of content, and I can see I have a whole variety of content within the system. This one is aimed at some partner campaigns, and some of these are just landing pages, some of them are media items, and some of them are landing pages that enable you to access, for instance, a white paper. In the list view here, I can follow this link to quickly access either the content, that might be the white paper, or in this case a landing page. So here's a landing page which consists of some text and an image and a web form. So now let's go and open the item of content, and we can see here the categorization page, and we've got a link straight to the landing page, which in this case consists of an image and the web form. So let's go and see how we set up that web page. So I'll go straight into the editing mode for the piece of content, and there's a few fields here, but the key ones are the name and the status, so we can have a workflow of managing the content. And we've got categorization, like what theme, what buyer persona it's aimed at, or buying stage, what job function, and a whole series of things like that. And we can also give it the web form and choose the appropriate web form, whether this be a simple, might just be one or two fields like a name and email address, or it may have a whole raft of other details if somebody's applying for a trial. So we've then got the basic definition of the landing page, and we've got a sort of a two-phase landing page here, where we've got the landing page and what happens to the user when they've submitted. So the landing page here is the text, which can be HTML with images and anything you want to put in there. After the submission of the form, you can go to either a web page, or we can select confirmation text, and then we can type in our own confirmation page here, should we require it. In this case, I'll just go to a marketing thank you page on the LAMP website. If there was a document to upload, I would select it here, and we would upload. I can choose the type and so on, the name, and this information here really passes straight through to become the definition of the landing page. The image is designed for any of the campaigns within, is pulled through for any of the campaigns in this project. So that very simply allows us to load a piece of content and immediately define its landing page. Now that landing page, we can control the style in terms of the fonts and the colours of almost any aspect of that page, so we can get it to look like our own look and feel of our brand. We can also then, when somebody registers for that, and we either update an existing contact or create a contact in the system, what happens to them. And we can do things like change their stream, which is part of the marketing automation within LAMP. We can put them into new target groups, which in turn can be included in new campaigns. We can add tags, we can alert users, we can have the form to be ungated or ungated. So there's quite a lot of sophistication in what we can do if somebody registers. Once we've created a piece of content and its relevant landing page, we want to distribute that widely, and we're going to probably use that in some of our email campaigns, and we can go and have a look at that in another video. But we can also publish it to social media, and this is an ability here to go straight to social media from the piece of content. And I could choose to publish in Facebook or LinkedIn, or in this case say Twitter. It just takes the title for Twitter. We can put our own hashtags in there, for instance LAMP360, and we can say publish, and we can publish to multiple profiles. Now if I want to publish again, for instance in Twitter, I might say I'd like to actually publish this again tomorrow, so let's choose the 18th, and the day after, the 19th. I can just select as many of these as I want, and I might select one for the morning, and I might select one for the afternoon. And then when I save this, it will publish this piece of content as a post onto social media with a link back to the landing page. And at this point here, we also had defined an image, and if I save this now, there was an image here in the definition that is used within that social content posting as well. So if I just go back and look at the landing page, because we updated it slightly, I changed the web form. We just got a 4-field web form, and we've got the image, and if I enter the details here and submit it, I will go into the confirmation page. If we quickly look at the sub-tabs, we'll see down here we've got anyone who's already responded to this landing page, which we haven't got any at the moment. We can also see the history of the posts, which in this case are just Twitter, and any scheduled posts that we've got coming up. If I now flip over to Twitter, we'll see we've got the post here on social media, and if I click on the link, where does it take us? It takes us back to the landing page. And if you see email campaigns and the automation with the LAMP, they will also drive traffic back to these landing pages, so they become the central point where all leads are collected. If I now fill out this form, just give it some random data, give it my email address, and then register. We get the download, which is a document which I can open up, and we get taken to the confirmation page, which is a web page on the website. If we now go back to the item of content and refresh the page and look at the registrations, we'll see we've got a new contact here who's been registered in the system. If we go and look at the contact record, we can then see into the campaign responses at the bottom down here that this person has in fact responded to this campaign and came in via Twitter. So we've got full audit and tracking capability of where our leads came from. Thank you.